My name is Håkan Johansson. I'm from Railcare in Sweden. We are here making a presentation together with our partner Bridgeway Consulting.
That's very good. And in the UK, you are suppliers of equipment for working on rail projects.
Yes, we are. We are supplying a special type of equipment that is working as an excavator, dealing with ballast, sub-ballast, mud, clay, any type of rebalancing operation, drainage systems, and so on and so forth.
And the equipment supplied is used by infrastructure operators?
Our number one customer is for sure Network Rail.
It's the Network.
Yeah.
And they purchase equipment from you, hire equipment?
They hire by the service, so we provide a service with the machines. Yes.
I see. And this is on individual rail modernisation and re-signalling projects?
Yes,
and
that's true.
Mostly re-signalling, mostly...
I would say mainly maintenance project when we are talking about reballasting of SNC's units. We do a lot of wet bedding projects and so on. So that's the core business so far. But
yes.
We are also into, let's say, cable management. There are a lot of problems here in UK with cable thefts, for example. And one of the solutions there is to, instead of letting the cables being in troughings or laying on top of the ground, we bury them into the ground instead. And that's, our system is, I would say, from that point of view, 100% cable safe. So far we have no cable damages recorded at all.
Oh right, that's interesting. And I noticed that you have rail-vac applications.
Yeah.
Could you tell us a bit more about rail-vac?
Well, what you can see here, for example, is one that is quite common in Sweden and Norway. That is to remove snow and ice from the tracks during winter time. We have had over the last winters, even in south of Sweden, rather harsh weather conditions. So it is at the moment a lot of focus upon curing the track from snow and ice during winter in Scandinavia.
And that's with the vac machine.
That's with one of the applications is with a vacuum machine. Yes.
Yes. Yeah. And how many machines are available in the UK?
So far, one.
Right.
That's a machine built according to the UAC specification, so it's a little bit too large for your W6A gauge here. But we are currently building a UK spec machine, designing and building it in Sweden, and it's likely to be available here in the beginning of 2012.
This is the
basic model, and this particular application we are dealing with a cable management operation where we locate buried cables and we bury them a little bit deeper so they don't interfere with ballast cleaning operations, for example. And this is also a very common type of project. It's a under-track crossing. And a normal under-track crossing, like the one you can see on the screen here, it takes about 10 minutes to create, to excavate.
Right. It seems that how do people manage this work at the moment before they are using a rail vac?
I would say in normal circumstances they do the job by hand, basically. Shovels is a very popular tool in this application.
Right.
Of course, then you can also mechanize it with the help of road rail excavators and so on and so forth.
Yes. So I mean, in a way, once the ballast is extracted, it needs to be taken off site.
Yeah.
So this does it all in one go.
It does.
Yeah.
It does. Yeah.
And what sort of capacity have you got?
Well, we are facing in average about 25 cubic meter of removed material per hour.
Right.
Yeah. Wow. And undependent on the conditions, if we are doing it on the side of the track or we are doing it underneath the track.
Right.
It doesn't matter.
Does that make it a cost-effective solution?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah. And how much has this been used in the UK so far?
Oh gosh, we have been since 2006 working together with different partners. Right. Over these years we have done in the range of 100 projects on different sites. But what we can see now is that the number of potential projects has increased dramatically over the last few months. So we are looking to be occupied throughout most of the year here in the future, over the next few years.
Yes. And you are operating with partners in the UK?
Yeah, we are. We are teaming up together with Breachway Consulting.
Oh, right. Yeah.
And they will be, from a technical point of view, they will be seen as the operator here in UK, but we will provide machines and the machine operators from Scandinavia. So
I see. And the machines are actually built in Scandinavia?
they are.
Yeah.
And owned by us, so they will
Right.
be totally Scandinavian or Swedish machines.
I see. Yeah, that's good. And the future is that hopefully more of these machines are going to be made available.
We hope so. Yes.
Yeah.
We hope
Yeah.
so.